Hey everybody, my name is Laura and I am the owner of Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters. Welcome to my home. I thought I would do a quick intro video since it's been a couple of years since I've done one, and real quick just wanted to tell you a little bit about who we are. As I said, my name is Laura. My husband's name is Rob. He does all the typewriter hunting, and he does some of the servicing and minor repairs on our typewriters, and I do the videos and photos and website and customer service and all the other admin stuff for the typewriter business. We do this part-time. I have a magazine company so I'm a magazine publisher. That is my full-time gig. My husband works full-time as well. This is something we started for fun, just out of curiosity, because I was in between businesses and I wanted to start writing, and I was interested in typewriters. And we got started in the fall of 2018. And so now, yeah, we're just finishing 6 years, getting ready to go into our 7th year in business, and we love it. And by no means are we professionals. There are so many people out there who know a whole lot more than we do, who can repair so much better than we can. In fact, we just service the typewriters. And if you want to know the difference between the different levels of repair and maintenance, there's a link in the description to an article I wrote called Serviced, Refurbished, Restored, What's the Difference? So please go read that. Also, just wanted to give you a behind the scenes. This is my kitchen. We are not fancy here. I do all my videos and photos in my kitchen, and we just have a good time. And I do videos and tutorials. I started my YouTube channel not even hardly knowing what YouTube was about. I just wanted to show our buyers, the people who are buying from us, they were kind of like us. Well, we were a little further ahead of them, but not much. They had either not touched one in ages, which was our case, or they had never used a typewriter. And so I started creating videos just to help people who were buying our typewriters, mainly to see how the typewriter was working before they bought it, and then also so they would know how to use it, because we were getting a lot of questions. And I never thought anybody would even look at my videos other than the people that I was sending the links to. And the next thing we know, we had several thousand followers. In fact, just last month, we passed 3,000 followers. So thank you to everybody who's watched our channel and keeps in touch with us. You guys are awesome. We also have an email community that's very interactive. I send out an email every Saturday morning, and yes, it just has our latest video typewriter listings, but I also send a quick thought. It's a very short email, but it's a very personal, and I'd like to think it's fun. I get a lot of good feedback from it. So that link is also in the description if you want to join our community. Again, I just wanted to say thanks for being here and kind of giving you an update as to who we are. We're still around. We love what we do, but it is part-time. And yes, there are lots of people who know lots more than we do about typewriters, but we're here to have fun and hopefully offer a little bit of assistance to those of you who are getting started on your own typewriter journey. So thanks for being here, and happy typing.